Hi there, this is Merle Strom. I made a wreath bread in my last video from making the dough, the filling assembly process, rolling the dough, cutting and shaping it into a wreath, and what was involved before the baking process. This time I will be showing you how to cook this special savory beef and vegetable fillings. Stuffed breads are popular because they offer a convenient and hearty meal option, combining the texture of the homemade bread with a variety of flavorful fillings, making them perfect for a quick bite or a substantial appetizer, and allowing for customization with different ingredients depending on taste, essentially acting as an all-in-one sandwich with the filling fully enclosed within the bread. This recipe requires chopping the vegetable ingredients. A food processor can do this task in a significantly less time than doing it manually with a knife on a chopping board. Depending on the recipe, meat fillings can be relatively simple to make at home, using readily available ingredients in your refrigerator. The ingredients in this video are what I normally use for my wreath bread. I normally use one whole large-sized fresh tomato, but I'm out of it, so I use a canned one as a backup. It is winter time. We have weird weather here most of the time this winter. I don't want to drive to the store for an ingredient if I can avoid it. I cook every day, which is the very reason why I make sure I have everything I need when I grocery shop, including the canned goods in case the fresh ones are used up and gone. You probably noticed that some of the ingredients in this video are frozen, like the bell peppers and the green onions. These were sliced and frozen fresh since I didn't need to cook them right away. I lost the video clip for a fourth of a cup of chopped celery, which was added before or after the chopped green bell pepper. I will make sure that the written recipe for this is posted in the description. This pureed tomato is the last of the processed ingredients in this recipe. It is now time to add the 2 pounds browned ground beef. Adding the juice from the canned diced tomatoes can greatly enhance the tomato flavor in this dish. Red wine adds flavor, complexity, and balance to the ground beef recipe. It can also help tenderize the meat. The wine reduction and combination with the browned onions, celery, and carrots can create a deep, slightly sweet taste. Adding dried oregano, garlic powder, and chicken powder to a ground beef recipe enhance the overall flavor profile by providing a deeper savory taste and complexity. The combination of oregano and garlic powder contribute a pungent aromatic element, while the chicken powder adds a subtle, meaty richness to the beef flavor. I like using both white and black pepper in every dish I make. At this point, the meat and other ingredients' moisture need to be reduced. Once done, the fillings need to cool down, refrigerated overnight before these can be spread on the dough. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching.